Ballroom dancer and choreographer Sandeep Suparkar, who came into limelight after choreographing Britney Spears' Womanizer video, is set to travel to Cannes this year along with his wife JC Randhawa. The Cannes Film Festival will start May 14 and will end May 25. This is the second time the couple will make appearance at Cannes. Watch Sandeep Suparkar and his wife talk about their Cannes connection and the stuff they will do there.
Now the most important question is that you are going to Cannes today itself. How will be the association and what are you looking forward to it?
Well, this is the second time we have been invited to go to Cannes. We are going there as Indian representative to dance. So I feel my job there is going to be talk about Bollywood dancing and how it is larger than life and how it always will be larger than life. And that's what we're going to go and do there, just propagate about Bollywood.
But what is the main basis of going to Cannes? What is the main motive of going?
The motive to go to Cannes is to, like I said, talk about Bollywood, and we are the representatives of the Indian dance forms. So we will be talking about not just Indian films, but even the way the dance has evolved and changed in the country, and meet people from different parts of the world, and try to bring India onto the global platform.
But when this news was spread out, so how was the reaction from the family side, from relatives, from close ones?
Well, they are excited. Last year when we went for the first time, they were very, very overjoyed. Now I think for them it is like, okay, you're going one more time. But for us it is always a beautiful experience because Cannes is one of the best, most beautiful places in the world. Apart from that, the red carpet at the Cannes is the most talked about as well in the industry. So we are getting ready for it.
You have created a name for yourself through the years, your name, your institution name. But what's the future planning as such? It's going to be a more broader.
Future planning is I want to do a lot more shows. I want to bring out a lot more mythology on stage, which I'm looking forward to. Of course, open a lot more dance classes because what I teach in my class are all authentic dance forms. I don't mix them with any other dance form. I don't create confusion. But on stage, in terms of shows, yes, you can experiment. So I need to balance both of them. So somewhere where we teach authentic dance in classes, and at the other side, experiment with what we know on shows.
And my last question to you is that till now, whatever hard work you've done, have you got the fruits of that, or do you expect something more?
I think dancing is one field where you will never get the fruits that you put in because I think that's what art is about. It's always never-ending learning, it's never-ending giving. So be it whatever, whether they're awards, whether they're rewards, I think they're a part and parcel of the whole entertainment and art field. So I don't probably feel bad that I'm not getting rewards or awards, but I think it's just the happiness that you create with new things. That is I'm very happy with.
Bollywood Country Report.